So now we have used the onboard LED. Let's see how we can use an external LED instead. So here you see an example of a wiring using an external LED. So here I have used a breadboard. I'm connecting a LED, and then I'm connecting or using one of the pins on the Raspberry Pi Pico. You can use any of those green pins. I have just chosen to use pin number 16, which is this one. Then I connected this one to the LED, and then it goes through a resistor. I'm using a resistor in order to not destroy the LED, because if the current through this circuit is too high, the LED can be destroyed. So then I just using a small resistor. It could be 270 ohm, it could be 330 or something. Just use a resistor that you have. It just need to be a small resistor in order to limit the current in the circuit. So then when I turn these pins on, the current will flow here through the resistor, through the pin, and back to one of the ground pin like this. And then we will create a simple program that turns these LEDs on or off, similar to that we use this built-in LED that is on board here. But in our case, we have an external LED that we have connected on a breadboard. So in order to find a resistor, you can of course use a multimeter in order to measure the resistance through the resistor, or you can find a calculator on the internet and see these different colors in order to find the correct resistor to use in this application. So now we are back in the Thonny Editor. Here is one of the previous examples we made. So this example turns the built-in LED either on or off, and the built-in or the onboard LED has pin 25, while now we have connected an external LED to pin number 16. So then we just change it to pin 16, and then we can run the application. And here I now see on my breadboard where I have connected the external LED, it turns on for 2 seconds, then it turns off for 2 seconds, and then it turns on, off, etc. So basically the program is the same. I just needed to change the pin number because now I've used one other pin of the Raspberry Pi Pico hardware. So basically this is the simple program to turn an external LED either on or off. And here I have used this value 1 and value 0. You could use this toggle function, or you could also have used this timer feature instead of this while loop.